In this video, you are going to see how I made this beautiful welcome slide in Microsoft PowerPoint, as you can see here. Let's get started. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Let us go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here like this and write here W and select it. Change the font size to 200 and change the font to Team A and make it bold and put it in the center of the slide. Let us paste the screenshot of my previous slide. I will pick the color from here very easily. So let us select the text, go to shape format, go to text fill, go to eyedropper and let us choose this color. If you want, you may choose any color of your choice from here. Now go to text outline, make it white outline. Again go to text outline, go to white and make it 4 point. Now click on over here, press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it like this exactly with the same alignment. Now click on over here and change it by E, select it, go to text fill, go to eyedropper and let us choose this color and click on right button and send it to back. Now press Ctrl D to duplicate and write here L. Select it, go to text fill, go to eyedropper and select this color and align it like this and click on right button and send it to back. Select it, press Ctrl D to duplicate and change it to C. Go to text fill, go to eyedropper and select this color. Click on right button and send it to back and align it like this. Now press Ctrl D to duplicate and change it to by O. Select it, go to text fill, go to eyedropper and select this color. Now click on right button, send it to back and align it like this. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, change it by M, select it, go to text fill, go to eyedropper and select this color. Click on right button and send it to back. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, change it by E, select it, go to text fill, go to eyedropper and choose this color. Click on right button, send it to back and place it exactly like this. Now let us delete this image. Now select all of this and place it in the middle of the slide. Now let us adjust it slightly and this is looking perfect. Now go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here and write here to our presentation. Make it in the uppercase. Select it and change the font by Lemon Milk and make the size to 36 point and place it like this. Select it, go to text spacing and make it loose and increase its size and place it like this. Now go to in the slideshow view, click on right button, make a duplicate slide. Let us go to the first slide. Let me zoom out by hold down the Ctrl key and scroll down the mouse and select this text box and place it in the left side and select all of this text and place it in the right side. Now let us adjust the text like this. Let us put it over here. Let us put it over on text like this. Now choose the second slide, go to transition and apply morph. Now let us watch the slideshow. And here you will see this is looking very beautiful. If you want to get the slide, just check the video description. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.